Right, breaking news, it is coming in 3 days after the hit and run case in Mumbai. We're now getting breaking news that the main accused in the case, Mihir Shah, who is the son of a Shiv Sena politician, has been arrested. He's been arrested on the day that his father, the Shiv Sena leader, was in fact given bail. This is the latest breaking news that is coming in. The son has been missing after killing this woman in a hit-and-run case. The Mumbai cops have so far said that they were unable to track the accused. They suspected that Mihir and the family have absconded. Now we're getting breaking news that the hit-and-run main accused, Mihir Shah, has in fact been arrested. On the same day, remember, that his father, who was arrested in the case while they still hunted for him, has been given bail. Aditya Thackeray just a short while ago hit out at the Maharashtra government. There's been a lot of politics over this incident. He slammed the Maharashtra government, saying that the chief minister just went there for a photo op. Now we're given to understand that the accused, the main accused in this case, has been arrested. Radhika joins us with the very latest on this breaking news. Radhika, what more can you tell us?
That's right. That's the latest development, breaking update that Mihir Shah has finally been arrested by the Worli police. In fact, this is 3 days after the incident that he's been arrested. We are yet to ascertain details about where he was arrested from. Of course, he's been arrested for under charges of culpable homicide not amounting to murder and several other sections as well, including destruction of evidence. But the breaking update that we are getting is that Mihir Shah, who was absconding for the last 3 days, who was allegedly behind the steering wheel leading to the death of a 45-year-old woman as a result of him ramming into that particular bike which was a pillion rider on. He has been arrested at this point. So that's the latest development. Of course, his father was arrested and later granted bail. The driver also arrested. He'll be produced before the court once again today. But the latest breaking update that we are getting is that Mihir Shah he's been arrested from Virar. That's the update that we're getting, that he was in fact arrested from Virar, which is close to Mumbai. It is in the suburbs of Mumbai. So Mihir Shah was in fact picked up by the police from Virar. That's the latest development we are getting. So at this point, of course, he will be questioned. He will be produced before the court as well. Will that happen today? Will that happen tomorrow in order to seek remand, to seek custody? That is something that we'll have to wait and watch for. But under what circumstances he was arrested, where was he hiding in Virar, all that is something we'll know in some time from now.
The other big development, of course, is the fact that he's been arrested on the very same day that his father was actually given bail, and there were all kinds of stories, Radhika, about how it was the father. He called the father. He was the one who said that he should in fact flee, and it's taken 3 days of relentless media coverage and several questions and the family's cry for justice for him to be arrested. But it remains to be seen now what happens. The story is not over just yet.
That's why story is not over. Of course, a lot of shocking revelations coming forward. In fact, of course, the father was arrested and then let out on bail yesterday. However, police making certain disclosures before the court, including the fact that father was, trying to convince the driver to take responsibility, to take blame for the accident. Also that, he was, convincing them to exchange seats, and also about the whole entire CCTV details which the police had told the court that the body was dragged, the woman was dragged for 1.5 kilometers, after which the person who was behind the wheels, which is Mihir Shah, exchanged seats with driver and then once again ran over the woman, not stopping, letting the woman die on the road in Worli. So these are some shocking details that emerged. The fact that there was destruction of evidence post that they tried to take off the Sena sticker, tried to also take off the number plate, took the number plate in fact, and several other disclosures also coming through. But I'm at the moment standing outside that particular pub where he was drinking just before hours before the incident. And this is Global Tapas Bar in Juhu, where Mihir Shah was with his set of friends. Now this has been shut by the excise department. This has been sealed by the excise department as a result of certain irregularities they found. Of course, it's usually when incidents like this happen that action is taken. This is something we saw in Pune Porsche case as well. Soon after that hit and run case, the accident case, several pubs and establishments were shut, action taken, bulldozer action also taken in Pune. Something similar happening here where this massive pub being shut by the authorities here, by the excise department here in Juhu. As a result of a few irregularities. To take you through sequence of events, on Saturday night, Mihir Shah was with his friends here. At about 1:30 a.m. in the wee hours is when he left. He dropped off his friends and then it was just him and the driver. He was behind the wheels. After coming under the influence of alcohol, he started driving the car in high speed, which is when he rammed into that scooter. Of course, I did speak to the husband as well, who was riding the scooter. He was in a helpless situation. Of course, post the accident, the husband did try to stop the car. He was in fact chasing the car when she was being dragged, by that BMW for kilometers, and he couldn't really get any sort of help there. The husband there, of course, giving us details of what exactly transpired, also seeking justice. I mean, the good news is that Mihir Shah has finally been arrested, because today he was questioning the police as to why he was not arrested, why action is not being taken. Is the establishment, is the administration trying to protect him, is something that he had, said, and, the fact that he was upset, disappointed and crying on camera as well as to what happened on that fateful night.